Hey everybody, welcome to the LA National Cemetery. We're glad that you're here for a day of service. We're here with our partnership with the LA National Cemetery to pick up the flags of our fallen service folks. This video is to show you the proper way of picking up the flags and placing them in an honorable and respectful manner. We would ask you, as you pick up the flags, to read the names on the stones. These are men and women who have served our country and know the value of service and sacrifice, and we want to honor them here today. Our national flag is important. We're going to ask you to pick up 20 flags. We're going to ask you to put them all in the same direction, a tie rubber band around the fabric section of the bundle. Please take them to the closest road where you see other bundles, and they will be placed either by a tree or by a pole. We're going to lean it against and then go on to pick up your next bundle. If you notice a flag that's dirty, torn, damaged, we're going to ask you to pick it up, but do not include it in the bundle. Carry it to the location where you put your bundles and place it in the same manner, not on the ground, and we'll dispose of those in a respectful manner. Since we're going to do this program early in the morning, there will be moisture on the ground. Recommend that you bring waterproof shoes or a change of shoes that you can get into after the event is done. Thanks again for being here. We appreciate your support and the support of the LA National Cemetery.